Hello and welcome. We're here today to showcase this exceptional project site of more than 1,400 square meters. Here we've accomplished significant ground leveling work. We've installed pool decking all around the swimming pool area, and we've planted more than 100 trees all around the property. We've also created custom sports surfaces, including a putting green, a touch tennis court, and a petanque pitch. And last but not least, we've installed more than 600 square meters of our signature natural-looking artificial turf. If you are living in the Emirates and are interested in our services, contact Riviera Grass.